This is going to be more of a gardening video than a beekeeping video, but it all ties into beekeeping. You can see the bees there getting water that's coming out of the central unit. As you can see, I've got a leaky connection, but it's connected to a hose. This slight gradual downhill run. All the way down here. This is I guess it's a 50-foot hose. This is a bucket that they feed cattle out of during the winter. I don't know what all's in it. I got a buddy of mine that brings them to me that I use them for gardening. But as you can see, and I've already dipped some water out of it, it's about 20-gallon, 25-gallon container. And here in the south, where we love the humidity, southeast Tennessee, if you look that way, that's Alabama, that's Georgia. But this is about 24 hours of water condensation coming off a central unit here in the deep south on a nice, humid day. Now what do you do with that? You take that little bucket, you fill it in these buckets, and you carry it and water your garden, your plants. Water the tomato plants, squash, whatever you're using. I've been pouring some of it down there on the blueberries and the fig trees that I planted last year. That's a pear tree that I planted last spring also. But that's just a quick tip. People that are using water out of their city water with all the fluoride and sodium and all the other crap they pump into the city water barely keeps plants alive, and you'll, after a summer of it, if you don't disturb the dirt, you'll notice a little white film on top of the dirt. That's all the crap coming out of your city water. Google it, look it up. It's not good for human consumption as far as me and you drinking it, but as far as clean enough for your plants, works great. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. And oh, by the way, you will see bees hanging around the rim getting a drink.